Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a release that you guys have all been waiting for. I'm super excited. These are my winter and Christmas collection stickers. So these will be available on November 1st, and we'll do, we're just going to say midnight Eastern time, which means they're probably going to be available around 9 or 10 o'clock on October 31st, because I still have not figured out how to do like timed releases on my website. So I'm not going to be awake at midnight, I guarantee you that. Anyways, let's dig in. So the first things we have are some new winter quotes. So we have winter quotes 1 and winter quotes 2. Love these quotes, can't wait to use them. The next set of stickers we have, or the first set basically, is called Christmas Movies. Look at the colors, look how fun these stickers are. We have our matching boxes. And then you'll notice I did bring back all 3 sizes of my sticker sheets. So I have brought back a ton of stuff to my shop. As a matter of fact, I want to make some noise. I have a whole list of things to go over that I have brought back or that are new to my shop. So if you're not familiar, my shop is pleasantlyplanned.com. All of my stickers are 50% off. There's no code needed, so that sale is still ongoing. So anyways, all 3 sizes. You have your mini size, your small size, and then your large size sticker sheet. Boxes only come in large size, so the large sticker sheet and the boxes are the same size. So the next set we have, I'm going to pause, I'll be right back, you won't even know I'm gone. These are called Warm and Cozy. I absolutely am in love with the colors in these stickers. I hope this camera does it justice, but the grays, the pinks, and then like the taupey color browns are perfect for winter time. So we have our large sheets and then our matching boxes. Here we have our mini and small sheets. I'm so excited about this release, you guys. Super excited. Then we have Oh Dear. So there are 10 different designs available for winter and Christmas. Oh Dear, look at the neutral colors, just how pretty and cozy these stickers are. We have our matching boxes and then our 2 different size or 3 different size sticker sheets. Again, stickers 50% off, automatic discount, no code needed at pleasantlyplanned.com. Make sure if you're not signed up for emails on my website that you sign up for emails. I am going to be sending sneak peek release sneak peek emails in the future a lot more, kind of like I used to do. But I have with this new website and the new email, I feel like my emails are not getting seen like they were before. I may have to switch around some things with my email provider. I don't know. But make sure that you're signed up for emails at least so that I have your contact information. So this one is called Joyful Holiday. Look how pretty the colors are. These kids are so cute down here. We have our matching boxes and then our mini and small sheets. Then we have Holiday Mail. This is like a vintage sticker sheet with the typewriter, the books, the mail. I love these stickers. I can't wait to start decorating. I'm probably going to fill up my November planner with Christmas. I'm probably going to start in November decorating my planner for Christmas, with the exception of Thanksgiving week. I think I'm going to use Thankful and Blessed. My new stickers. Anyways, there's the matching boxes. You'll notice I did change this header to say meals, so we now have a meals header. And there's the other 2 sizes there. Speaking of headers, I did bring back my dashboard layout headers and my custom dashboard layout headers to my shop. So if you need headers, you can still get those, or you can get those again. Look at the colors in Merry Christmas. My absolute favorite. I love these colors. This is more of like a, I don't know, like a Tiffany blue, dark teal, or turquoise with the reds. Just absolute favorite. Love it, love it, love it. We got our matching boxes and then our mini and small sheets. Next up, we have Pastel Holiday. Super pretty. I love pastel colors. I love pastel holidays too. We have our light strings here, some presents, some stockings, the bells, the snowflakes. It's just all so pretty. We have matching boxes and the other 2 sheets or sizes. Next up, we have winter travel. I love pinks and blues together. So pretty with the girls. Look at them just staring at things, ready to go, dreaming about that vacation that I'm sure we're all dreaming about going on right now. And then we have our matching boxes. Love these stickers. Can't wait to use them. All right, a couple more to go here. We have Pink Christmas. Again, I love all things pink. These are pink and lavender with the exception of Santa. He has his little red suit on, but then he has the pink bag. But I did add Santa's suit color in with our matching boxes so we can bring some of that color into a spread. Love, love, love these stickers with our 2 different other size sticker sheets. And last but not least, Merry and Bright. Again, this really pretty turquoisey color with the red. I just love the color combination. It is gorgeous. Look at those boxes. Such a pretty spread these stickers will make. And then our other 2 sizes. So, like I said, 10 different decorative sticker collections with matching boxes and 2 new quotes. Now let's go over everything else that I added to my shop. So, I got my little list here. I added my clear top tab dividers. If you're not familiar with those, I do have the top tab. I don't want to show you something in one of my planners that doesn't need to be shown. So let me just pull it out here. I don't have my catch-all beside me. So this is a clear top tab divider. You'll notice it is frosted so that it doesn't show scratches, but you can see through it. So these are sold in top tab only in a set of 4 for classic size Happy Planner, and I just added half letter to my shop. I also added, let's see, what else did I add? My Christmas quotes. So I added my faith quotes, inspirational quotes, motivational quotes. I think I added live quotes. If not, I need to. And I added back my Christmas quotes. And then we have these new winter quotes. We also have the fall quotes already on the site. All stickers, 50% off. Don't forget that. I added back my emoji stickers, my date stickers. I said dashboard headers. I added divider labels. So if you order dividers and you need labels, we have, I think, 2 different types. We have a typeset font, and then we have this kind of scripty set font. You can do these in the ones that are pre-made, or you can also do custom. So those are back. Let's see what else. I have new inserts, so super excited about some new inserts that I'm going to be doing, showing you guys in the next video that you watch, along with some new winter and Christmas covers and dashboards that are absolutely gorgeous. I love them so much. Anything else? Did I say my emoji stickers? Oh, my sticker storage dividers. So I'll show you real quick. Oh, this poor box gets beaten up all the time. So this is how I store my stock in my shop. But these are my sticker storage dividers. They're just clear. They will show scratches and dust because of the material that I used. This is why I don't use these for dashboards, because they show every little piece of dust and every little scratch. But these are available again as well in this small size, which fits my small size sticker sheets perfectly, and then I also have a large size for my large sheets. The boxes that I use are just those photo boxes that you can get like at Michael's and Hobby Lobby. I think that's it. I hope I did not forget anything. We're going to do a video next on the new covers and inserts, and then the next video that I do will be a setup video where I set up my planners for the rest of the year and show you how I'm going to be using those new inserts. Turnaround time now is 4 to 6 business days. Normally it's like 5 to 7, but I'm doing pretty well at getting orders out, so 4 to 6 business days. And then I just wanted to remind you too that I do have 3 different types of payment options on my website. You can use PayPal payments. I think they do like a pay in 4 installments. Shop Pay, which I think is also like a pay in 4 installments, both interest free, I believe. And then I do still offer Afterpay, but my website is powered by Shop or Shopify, and they do a pretty good job of hiding the Afterpay option, I think, because they want you to use their Shop Pay option instead. So what you have to do on my website to take advantage of Afterpay is you have to actually check out as a guest. Unfortunately, that's the only way that I've figured out a way around it. It's the same with Happy Planner's website. So if you already have a shop or a Shopify account, whether you've used it for Happy Planner or anybody like that, once you put in your email address or your phone number, it automatically pulls up your account. You're going to have to check out as a guest to take advantage of Afterpay, but it is still an option. So I think I've gone over everything for this video. Again, I'm super excited about this release, super excited for the future of Pleasantly Planned. More explanation on that to come. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free. It doesn't cost you a dime. Head over to my website November 1st. So technically, like I said, the night of October 31st, these will be releasing at pleasantlyplanned.com. You do not need any kind of code to save 50% off all of the stickers. If you just happen to find a sticker set that doesn't come up 50% off, please send me a message. Give me a heads up. Let me know. It just means I need to tweak a little something in the system and I missed one. So no big deal. That's happened before. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to see you over in the insert and cover release video. Love y'all. Bye, guys.